Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if function in Excel. So if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn how to use if function, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a sales report. Okay, so here this is invoice number, this is date column, this is sales amount column, and this is payment received column, and this is outstanding column. Okay, so I want to find out the outstanding. Okay, so here you will see I have made this table. So where the payment and sales amount, payment received and sales amount is same, I want that there should be written no outstanding, and if it is payment outstanding amount, so I want to outstanding amount there. Okay, so how to do this? So you have to use if function. So in this video I will show you how to do this. What you have to do, you have to just press equals. Okay, then type if, then logical test. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this sales amount, then press equals received amount, then comma, inverted comma, no outstanding. Okay, comma, inverted comma, close. Okay, then comma, then okay, so it means that if C5 cell is equal to D5, then there should be no outstanding return. Then if again, if not matched, okay, so what you have to do, what should be there, sales amount minus payment received, bracket close. So now we will copy this formula to, okay, so here you will see if there is no outstanding, you will see this no outstanding is written. Now how to find out the total amount? You have to just click it, and here you have to select the cell, and then here you will see auto sum. Just click on it, then again here you will see auto sum. Just click on it, and just we will copy this formula to the cell. Okay, so like this you can use if function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.